Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error code 4B538E50NBA2K21. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure NBA2K21 is fully updated on your console or PC. Game updates are usually downloaded automatically. Next, test your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. If your speed is lower than expected, restart your modem by unplugging it for 10 seconds and then plugging it back in. For a more stable connection, connect your console or PC directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If the issue continues, restart your console or PC. Turn it off completely, disconnect it from power for 30 seconds, then turn it back on and launch the game again. Finally, if there is server maintenance or an outage, you'll need to wait until the developers resolve the issue. So that's basically how you can fix error code 4B538E50 NBA2K21. Thanks.